Thank you. Just, Aparna, you tell me what was the last sentence?
Sir, the last sentence was मैं आपसे इस बिंदु पर सहमत नहीं हूँ. I don't agree with
Okay.
you on this point.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, write down the next sentence, please. But firstly, let me check. Actually, let me check the sequence of the sentences. Uh, Sarika, you tell me what was the first sentence of present simple?
Sir, the first tense of present simple is we design our desk ourselves.
Okay. And Rini, you tell me what was the second sentence of present simple?
Sir, the second sentence of present simple is you look gorgeous today.
Okay. And Aparna, you tell me the third sentence.
Sir, the third sentence was new bride shies a lot.
Hmm. Thank you. And Sarika, you tell me the next sentence.
Sir, the fourth one is does your dad go bananas?
Okay, correct. And do you have any more sentence, Renu?
But Sarika, I have not written. You are saying yes, but I have not written. What is the
You
next?
can exchange. You
Bhabhi,
can
I have
exchange
already
later.
sent you in your
Yeah, you have.
personal chat.
Yes, you have
I have
sent me.
sent 2 times.
Yeah, but I have not written. I'm sorry because I'm not getting the time. I'm sorry. Yeah, I will write definitely.
Meanwhile, tell me the next sentence, whichever you have written, Renu. The next one.
Sir, I have written up till this. Does your dad go bananas?
Okay. Have I given you this sentence, Aparna? यह पंखा आवाज नहीं करता है.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You have
Hmm.
given this
Okay.
sentence.
Have I
Yes.
given you, Sarika, this sentence? आमिर खान किस तरह के गाने गाते फिल्म में
Yes,
साइन
sir.
कर. ओके 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 ओके. राइट डाउन द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. क्या आप त्वरित उत्तर देते हैं? आई एम राइटिंग ऑन द व्हाइट बोर्ड because there is a difficult Hindi word. Aparna, please repeat Hindi.
क्या आप त्वरित उत्तर देते हैं?
Correct. Put the question mark. Poonam is absent today and Ritu. Actually, I want to give them more practice, but it's okay, they are absent. So let me check Renu. Renu, you have to make this sentence.
Okay. Sir, this I have to make this sentence. This sentence belongs to present simple tense. It is an क्या बोलते हैं? Second inverted. inverted question. Firstly, we will
हाँ,
take.
let me ask two questions as usual. रेनू, आपने कैसे पहचाना कि ये इन्वर्टेड सेंटेंस है?
सर ये सेंटेंस क्या से शुरू हुआ, तो इससे मुझे समझ में आया कि ये इन्वर्टेड सेंटेंस है।
थैंक यू। इन्वर्टेड सेंटेंस बनाने का नियम बताएं।
सर सब्जेक्ट के बाद वाले शब्द को उठाकर सब्जेक्ट से पहले ले आते हैं, तो इन्वर्टेड सेंटेंस बन।
थैंक यू। नाउ स्टार्ट।
Okay. I will start the sentence by firstly I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is do. Then I will take the subject, and the subject is you. Thereafter I will take the reply. Thereafter I will take the first form of the verb, and the first form of the verb is reply. Then I will take the object, and the object is instantly. The at the end I will put the question mark. So the sentence is, do you reply instantly?
Renu, what did you say you will put here?
Sir, object.
Aparna, can you tell me what is the last word?
Extinction.
And Sarita?
Sir,
So, yeah, I know it is a adverb, but I'm thinking कि कैसे होगा adverb, ये formula में नहीं है, so I
हाँ,
yeah.
तो thought adverb
Yeah.
verb के पहले should be before the verb adverb.
Firstly, tell me the spelling, Renu.
INSTANTLY.
Come again, please.
INSTANTLY. Instant. Sir, see, I have written.
Now pronounce.
Sir, I have written instant. Can you reply instant? But I am speaking instantly.
This your question, which is coming in your mind, is absolutely correct. Good question. चलिए आज हम थोड़ा सा और रिवील करते हैं, और आज आपको ये बताते हैं, आज पूरा नाम बताते हैं। विजय दीनानाथ चौहान, पूरा नाम मालूम? ये तो पिक्चर चली हुआ मजाक हो गया, एक डायलॉग हो गया, लेकिन वस्तुतः बात ये है दोस्तों, एडवर्ब जो होता है, जैसा कि उसका नाम है क्रिया विशेषण, क्रिया की विशेषता बतलाता है ऑब्वियसली, लेकिन वो एक दूसरे एडजेक्टिव की भी विशेषता बतलाता है और खुद एडवर्ब की भी विशेषता बतलाता है। एक छोटे से सेंटेंस पर अपन देखते हैं इसको। एक हिंदी सेंटेंस पहले पढ़ना से पूछते हैं, फिर उसी को रेणु भी बनाए, हिंदी वाले को, फिर सारिका भी। पढ़ना हिंदी सेंटेंस है, वह बहुत तेज धावक है।
वह
वह बहुत तेज धावक है।
इसको
should
पूरी
I
प्रोसेस से नहीं बनाना है दोस्तों, ये एग्जाम्पल है, इसलिए इसको वन स्टाइल पर इसको बोलना है।
he is
बोल दो अपर्णा, फिर उसी को रेणु भी बोले, पूरा इंग्लिश जो भी मन में आए, फिर सारिका भी।
he is fast athlete.
रेणु
he is a fast runner.
सारिका
He is fast runner.
अपर्णा एक कोशिश और।
He is
He runs fastly.
अपर्णा
he runs fast. He is a fast runner.
ओके, रेणु अगेन।
He is very fast runner.
Can you tell me the spelling of runner?
Sir, RUNNER.
And now one by one, let me start with Aparna. Aparna, please underline one by one.
Subject.
And Renu?
Sir, helping verb.
No, Sarika?
Main verb, main verb.
Thank you.
हाँ.
सारिका, अब देखिए यहाँ से, अब रुकिए थोड़ा देर, यहाँ से आगे बढ़ते हैं। सारिका, what is?
Sir, this runner is noun.
Yes, how can you say this is noun?
Sir, fast is adjective.
No, I'm asking, how can you say runner is a noun?
Runner is a noun. How can I
How
say?
can you say?
Sir, I know, that's why I can say.
Okay, Aparna, how can you say runner is a noun?
Because ये इसमें वर्ब के साथ ENER लगा दिया गया है, इससे हमें पता चला ये नाउन है।
रेनू, डू यू रिमेम्बर हम क्रिया से दो तरह से नाउन बना लेते हैं, आर या ईयर लगाते हैं और आईएनजी लगाते हैं, तो वो नाउन बन जाता है। तो रनर इज ए नाउन, वी नो वेरी वेल। अब सरिता, रनर की विशेषता कौन बता रहा है?
Sir, fast.
Fast.
Adjective.
तो जो संज्ञा की विशेषता बतलाता है अपर्णा, उसको क्या कहते हैं?
सर्वनाम। संज्ञा की विशेषता बताता है उसको
संज्ञा
विशेषण।
के स्थान पे जो शब्द आते हैं उन्हें सर्वनाम कहते हैं, और जो उसकी विशेषता बतलाते हैं उन्हें
विशेषण
विशेषण कहते हैं। रेनू, देखो अब फास्ट की विशेषता कौन बताए?
Very. Very is also adjective.
So what is very here?
So very is adjective.
Sarika?
Sir, very is adverb.
Aparna?
Yes sir, very is adverb.
ये बहुत नॉर्मल चीजें हैं दोस्तों, हम बोलते हैं जानते हैं, लेकिन उसको व्याकरण के इस पेचीदगी के साथ नहीं समझ पाते। और ये हर किसी के लिए जरूरी नहीं है। एज फार एज यू गाइस आर कंसर्न, this is not very much useful for you. It is very much useful for the people who are facing competitive exams or any exam.
Sir, your voice is
This is
chopping.
Sir,
okay.
turn your network in 5G.
Okay, okay. Let me check my network. Yes, Aparna, you are right. Connected to right. Now it is connected to 5G. Now it is connected with 5G.
It's so
So,
clear.
guys,
So
this is
clear.
a nice example, simple example. And you can also give me, you can send me some examples without the help of any book or something. तो आज बेसिक चीज ये है दोस्तों कि एडवर्ब जो है थोड़ा विस्तृत बंदा है, और जो चीज हमने आज आपको बताई है वो वास्तव में हम लोगों को 12th क्लास में बताई जाती है सभी को। क्या किसी को याद है तो कि 12th क्लास में हमें टीचर ने बोला था कि बेटा रेन एंड मार्टिन की बुक ले लेना ग्रामर की और पढ़ लेना। डू यू रिमेम्बर?
Sir, Rudraksh school recommended this book for kids, but I don't remember कि my teacher said this thing when I was in MLB.
ओके
I think
दोस्तों, हमें याद है हमारे समय आई एम नॉट 12th पास बिकॉज 12th was not there. I am the last person of 11th. तो हमें याद है पहले रेन एंड मार्टिन की इस साइज में छोटी सी बुक आती थी, ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट, जो कि काफी बोरिंग हुआ करती थी। बट रिसेंटली आई हैव कंसल्टेड विद सम, मीन्स आई हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट इट विद सम current students. So they showed me a big book of Rain and Martin. It was colorful. And the size is like this. But thickness is not like, but the size is big. And it was, you know, there is a particular there is a particular word for it. Mm. I'm using another word for it. It was visual. There is a particular word for that kind of books. It is called,
reference books.
no, actually, ऐसी किताब जिसमें चित्रों के सहित चीजों को समझाया जाए. There is a particular word.
Phonetic.
No. Okay, I will tell you later. Anyways, तो हर स्कूल में ये बोला जाता था, टीचर्स वर फोर्स्ड टू सजेस्ट द स्टूडेंट्स, बट इट यूज्ड टू बी सजेशंस ओनली. इट वाज नॉट कंपल्सरी एक्चुअली. दैट्स व्हाई वी यूज्ड टू स्किप इट. आवश्यक नहीं करते थे, सजेस्ट बस करते थे टीचर्स. सो इट इज ऑल टॉट इन रेन एंड मार्टिन ब्यूटिफुली. एनीवेज, अभी हम इसी वाक्य को और दो तरीके से
किस काइंड
Yes.
ऑफ बुक स्टार्ट करते हैं?
Excellent.
हिस्ट्री बुक, ज्योग्राफी बुक, क्या बुक
Okay.
कहते
Hmm. I'm not getting the word. Whenever I get, I will share with you. Let's speak this sentence. We are going to make this sentence in two more ways. Sarika, speak.
जी सर. Do you reply instantly?
Uh, ask this question to somebody, he will reply.
जी. Aparna Di, do you reply instantly?
हैं? No, not sometimes. I don't reply instantly, but I take time. I take time for replying.
जी क्या
Renu,
आप त्वर
Renu Bhabhi, do you reply instantly?
Aparna, sometimes I reply instantly and sometimes not. Okay. Sarika, do you reply instantly?
Bhabhi, whenever I know the thing, so I reply instantly. Otherwise, I think after. I think before reply.
Do
Sir, I
you
made
respond?
Sir, I
Answer?
made the sentence like this ki, do you answer quickly? So it is right.
Wait. Second round. Sarika, is it visible?
Yes, sir, it is clearly visible.
Ask.
Aparna Di, do you give quick answer?
No, Sarika, I don't give quick answer. Renu Bhabhi, do you give quick answer?
Yes, I always try to give quick answer. Sarika, do you give quick answer?
Bhabhi, if I know the answer, so I give quickly.
Okay.
Now ask this question.
Aparna Di, do you answer quickly?
Yes, I have also made this question. Do you answer quickly? Uh, yes, Sarika, I answer quickly. Renu Bhabhi, do you answer quickly?
Yes, sometimes I answer quickly. I try to answer quickly. Okay, Sarika, do you answer quickly?
Bhabhi, sometimes I answer quickly. Sir, all are done.
Okay, Aparna, now you tell me what is answer in this sentence.
Uh, do you give quick answer? Noun, I think noun, sir.
And Renu, what is quick here?
Sir, quick is adjective.
Correct. Sarika, what is quickly here?
Sir, quickly is an adverb here.
Aparna, what is answer here?
Sir, answer is a verb here.
Okay.
First form of verb.
Do you need to write it down or if you have written, should I erase?
Yes, sir.
We have written. Please.
Write down the next sentence. नेता अपने वादे पूरे नहीं करते हैं.
Sir, please come again.
नेता अपने
The
वादे
should
पूरे नहीं करते हैं. I am writing it. Parna, who has to make this sentence?
Sir, I have to make this sentence.
Please go ahead.
Okay, sir. This sentence belongs to present simple. It is a negative sentence. Firstly, I will take the subject, and the subject is leader. Thereafter, I will take the uh, helping verb, and the helping verb is
What is the
does.
spelling of politician? P-O-L-I.
Sir, POLITICIAN.
P-O-L-I.
TI.
TICIAN.
Can we write leader instead of politician? Leader.
Okay, guys, please try to understand this difference. दोस्तों, लीडर किसी भी क्षेत्र में हो सकता है.
Okay.
जो समाज को लीड कर रहा है
Politician.
वो भी लीडर है. जो आपके ग्रुप को लीड कर रहा है वो भी लीडर है. तो यहाँ पे अपन जो बात कर रहे हैं नेता. ओके, यू आर राइट. आई एम नॉट सेइंग यू आर रॉन्ग. बट यहाँ पे जो अपन चर्चा कर रहे हैं वो राजनीति वाला है. तो अपर्णा, इज द स्पेलिंग राइट और रॉन्ग?
Politician. POLITICIAN. हाँ सही है.
गो अहेड.
Later on, I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is does. I will borrow the helping verb. Should I say?
No, no need.
Thereafter, negative word, and the negative word is not. Thereafter, I will take the first form of the verb, and the first form of the verb is complete.
Have I given you the verb for Vada?
No, sir. I searched, but
Promise.
no, sir. Shall get promise.
Okay. Have I given you the verb for Vada Karna?
Yes, sir. You
No,
have
sir.
given. You have given. I think.
Okay. Renu, is the sentence completely visible to you? Are you using iPhone?
Yes, sir. I'm using iPhone because my daughter, she is using my iPad. Her class started.
Is it completely visible or partially visible?
Partially visible.
Okay. Now,
सर अपने हाँ देयर अपने से शुरू हो रहा है.
okay.
आई कैन सी अपने.
हाँ 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 हाँ. नेता अपने वादे पूरे नहीं करते.
हाँ.
Politician Then I will take the helping verb. I will borrow the helping verb, and the helping verb is does. Uh, Thereafter, I will take the um, possessive adjective, and the possessive adjective is his.
Ladies, firstly write down the verb. Let me ask one by one. Sarika, what should be the verb for vada karna?
Sir, the verb for vada karna should be promise.
Thank you. Ask the second question to Renu.
Okay. Bhabhi, what should be the second form of promise?
The second form of promise should be promised. Aparna, what should be the third form of promise?
The third form of the promise should be promised. Sarika, what should be the another verb for vada karna? Nibhana.
वादा करने के लिए एक ही वर्ब दी है, वादा निभाने के लिए दो दे रहे हैं. प्लीज लुक केयरफुली.
Okay, huh. What should be the verb for vada nibhana, Sarika?
The verb for vada nibhana should be carry promise. Bhabhi, what should be the second form of carry promise?
The second form of carry promise should be carried promise.
And what should be the spelling of carried?
CARRIED. PROMISE.
Carry. What is the meaning of carry forward?
वादा निभाना.
कैरी फॉरवर्ड यानी आगे ले जाना.
Okay, what should be the third form of carry promise, Aparna? No, Sarika, I think I have to ask. Okay, Sarika.
Please, Bhabhi, come again.
What should be the third form of carry promise?
Bhabhi, the third form of carry promise is should be carried promise.
Okay.
Aparna di, what should be the another verb for vada nibhana?
Another for vada nibhana should be keep promise. Renu Bhabi, what should be the second form of keep promise? Renu Bhabi, what should be the second form of keep promise?
The second form of keep promise should be kept promise. Okay. Sarika, what should be the third form of keep promise?
Bhabhi, the third form of keep promise should be kept promise.
And Aparna, what should be the spelling of kept?
The spelling of kept, KEPT.
KEPT.
The spelling of kept should be KEPT.
I was just joking. You're right. Have you written?
Yes,
Should
sir.
I erase? Okay, now Aparna, go ahead with the sentence.
I'm starting from beginning. Firstly, I will take the subject, and the subject is politician. Later on, I will take the helping, I will borrow the helping verb, and the helping verb is does. Later, thereafter, I will take the negative word, and the negative word is not. Uh, then I will take the possessive adjective, and the politician doesn't promise. Okay, first form of the verb. नहीं, politician doesn't. First form of the verb, and the first form of the verb is promise. Thereafter, I will take the possessive adjective, and the possessive adjective is his, and then lastly I will take the noun or noun or adjective, and the noun and adjective is words.
Okay. Thank you, Aparna. Who's
Polish.
good with this?
So
And
should I try?
Renu, you should try.
नेता अपने वादे पूरे नहीं करते हैं ना, ऐसा है. Okay. Sir, this sentence belongs to present tense, simple present tense. It is a negative sentence. Firstly, I will take the subject, and the subject is politician. Then I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is does. Thereafter, I will take the negative word, and the negative word is not. Mm, then I will take does not fulfill. Then I will take the first form of the verb, and that is the first form of the verb is fulfill. Thereafter, I will take the possessive adjective, and the possessive adjective is there. At the end, I will take the verb again, and the first form of the verb is promise. Neta, at the end, I will put the full stop. The sentence is politician does not fulfill their promise.
Good. Nice. Sarika, it's your go.
Okay, sir. This sentence belongs to present simple tense and it is a negative sentence. Firstly, I will take the subject and the subject is politicians. Later on, I will take the helping verb and the helping verb is do. Thereafter, I will take the negative word and the negative word is not. Uh, Thereafter, I will take the first form of the verb, and the first form of the verb is carry promise. Don't.
Something is wrong here.
हाँ सर, मुझे ना इसमें थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन है. वादा करना और वादा निभाना. हमने वादा किया पर हमने नहीं निभाया, तो ये कैसे आएगा? नेता अपने वादे पूरे नहीं करते, मतलब उनने किया तो पर पूरा नहीं किया, तो उसका मतलब उनने निभाया नहीं ना.
हाँ, वो जानबूझ के
इसलिए
हमने.
हाँ,
Yes,
तो इसलिए ये वाली वर्ब आएगी ना, निभाने वाली.
verb is correct, but can you
अपने
see? Uh, how
सर
will
वो
you?
पॉजिटिव एग्जेक्टिव में आएगा ना, देयर.
कहाँ रखोगे? वही तो है पूरी. इस सेंटेंस की पूरी खूबसूरती उसी को रखने पे.
सर, पॉलिटिशियन डोंट कैरी प्रॉमिस देयर कमिटमेंट्स, ऐसा बनाया मैंने. नहीं,
अपर्णा, तुम कहाँ रखोगी?
politician don't uh, हाँ don't carry forward their words.
कैरी फॉरवर्ड यानी आगे ले जाना होता है। जैसे अपन बचपन में हाथ सिलाई लेते थे,
Carry forward. हाँ हाँ, सिलाई, carry forward.
ऊपर से कल्पना मैडम पूछ रही हैं कैन आई ट्राई। ओके, इन वंस, अब कल्पना गो अहेड। हाँ, देर इज नो नीड ऑफ प्रोसेस। नहीं, यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखिए, इफ द सेंटेंस कंप्लीटली विजिबल। हाँ, प्रोमिसेस। अब देखिए यहाँ बिंदी है रेणु और अपर्णा, आपने इस बिंदी पे ध्यान नहीं दिया। नेता शब्द से बिल्कुल नहीं पता चल रहा है कि एक की बात हो रही है कि अनेक की। वो पता चल रहा है बहुवचन यहाँ पे आ गई। इसलिए हमने पूछा था रेणु, द सेंटेंस इज कंप्लीटली विजिबल और नॉट।